The maned wolf. The maned wolf is a large canine of South America. Its markings resemble those of foxes, but it's neither a fox nor a wolf. It's the only species of genus Clyrostian. It is the largest canine in South America, weighing 20 to 30 kgs and up to 90 cm at the withers. Fun and interesting facts about the maned wolf. The maned wolf's urine has a powerful aroma reminding many humans of the way skunks smell. The maned wolf is a large canid of South America. It looks more like a long-legged fox than a wolf. Genetic studies show that it's neither a fox nor a true wolf, but it is a distinct species. My source credit for this video was Wikipedia, Google Images, and the Smithsonian National Zoo site. Thank you.